And we'll see what it smells like here. So that's what it looks like. Lalique Noire Extreme. On the top of this box. There goes the presentation. And that's the way the bottle looks like. Let's go see what it smells like. That's what the bottle looks like again. Open the cap. It's my first impression of this. Oh wow, that smells really nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. I bought this for the rain, so kind of happy that I did now. It smells like vetiver. I love vetiver, by the way. It's the scent that I enjoy. I'm going to leave a follow-on video of Tom Ford Gray Vetiver. What other vetiver scents do you guys like? Please leave them down below in the comments. Look forward to hearing from you. And I'll also leave my Instagram down below as well. I'm on there more than I am on here. Thank you guys very much. Have a wonderful day.